Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Well, salsa spins can be a lot of fun or very scary. So in today's video, I'm going to give you my top 3 elements in order to not only learn the correct way but also improve your salsa spins. I'm going to break it down for you with the correct technique, and at the end we're going to do a follow along exercise that will help you practice all of these techniques. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, let's go to the first element, which is balance. Yes, so we're going to imagine that we have a cord pulling us right from the top of our head, and so it's pulling us up, and then the same cord is pulling us down from the tailbone. So in order to create like this really straight line with our spine, yes, and in order to find our center, finding our center, then we can find our balance right there. All right, you guys, so now for the second element is momentum. Momentum is a quantity of motion of a moving body. So how do we create this? How do we achieve the momentum? Well, easy, just by winding up, which means opening your body to the opposite direction in which you are going. If I'm turning to the right, I'm gonna open my body to the left, so then I can create that momentum with my own body. There's a quick exercise that we can try if you're still a little bit intimidated by momentum. So place your weight on the right leg. Now place your hands on second as you open your body to the left. Yes, so right now I'm facing you, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. I'm going to do it also on the opposite direction so you can relate better. So we're here. We open the arm and we're going to pretend to be punching someone. Make sure this is not happening. Keep your arms in second position. So we're here opening, and you're going to be using the ball of your foot to turn. Yes? So you can go slowly. Just really try it. Just test how much you can go. So the more you open, the more you punch, the more momentum you're going to create. So we're here and just punch, yeah? That's just a quick exercise before we get into the rest of the details. So have fun. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna turn around so you can see from a better angle. So we're here, right? And we say to put the weight on the right leg. If we are turning to the right, which is now the case, we're doing the right spin. So we're gonna open our body, yes, and then we're gonna punch. So we're spinning on the right leg on the ball of the foot. So your heel has to be up, you see, like this. Now, let's try that. We're working on momentum right now only, no other technique, no worries. As much as your body wants to go. Yeah, this is fun. And you can just keep trying that until you feel comfortable. All right guys, so now for element number 3, we have spotting. So what does that mean? We're gonna find focus, am I saying it right? I always have trouble with that word. Well, we're gonna find a point in which we're going to be focusing our eyes. Yes, so there is also a quick exercise that you can do in order to start getting familiar with that. So find a point in front of you, and then literally don't worry about anything else happening here. You're just gonna do baby steps, yes? Baby steps all the way around. Now let's add spotting. So find that point in front of you, and you're not going to let go of your head until you can go anymore, and then you're gonna snap, yeah? But as you keep going, then snap, snap, snap. And this exercise, like the first one, second one, and third one, we can do all of them to the opposite direction. Right now, I'm just focusing on the right side because we are working on the right spin, all right? But please know that all of these exercises, you can try them to the opposite direction as well, as you're going to start also turning to the left. All right, you guys, so now let's get to the breakdown. All right, you guys, so now let's break it down. Let's apply all of these techniques or elements to the actual salsa spin to the right. Well, I'm gonna do my latest footwork, yes, and I'm going to start going back with the right. I'm gonna face you, then I'm gonna turn around. So I go 1, 2, 3. On 5, I'm going to twist my body, but please know that my whole weight is still on the right, you see? And only on the ball of my foot. So as I twist, I make sure that there is no space in between my thighs. You see this? Yeah? Okay, so now, one more time, we go 1, 2, 3, 5. What is this twisting going to do for me? Well, we're applying element number 2 there, which is the momentum, okay? So now, from there, I'm going to exaggerate a little bit so then you can see the difference and you can see what's exactly happening with my feet. So this is not the way it's gonna look like, I'm just exaggerating. So watch one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 5. We said we open the arm to create the punch for more momentum, right? So right now I'm going to punch and I'm gonna turn on the ball of the right foot. You're not gonna be doing this when you're actually spinning. I'm just doing it right now so you can see what is happening, okay? We're gonna start with an exercise and we're gonna do quarter of turns first, and then we're gonna increase to half of turns, and then we're gonna do full turns. For now, I'm gonna turn around so you can see again, and then we're gonna do the follow along practice. All right, so I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. I twist on 5, and then I go 6, 7. Okay? So that is just practicing the correct technique. Now, we start in baby steps, quarter, half, full turn. All right, let's get to work, and I'm going to be facing that direction just because I want you to be able to follow along, okay? So I'm gonna start here. Remember, we talk about keeping your hands in second position, your arms, yeah? So we open, we punch. This is to create the momentum. First of all, we will find our balance, that's number 1. Second, momentum, and third, we need to do what? Spotting. So I'm here, I go, I found my balance, number 1. Number 2, I do my footwork, 1, 2, 3, and this is my momentum setting. And then now I'm just going to spot, which means I'm going to move my head where I want to finish. Right now we're just doing quarter of turns, so it's super simple, yeah? So one more time, I'm gonna move a little bit. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're gonna try half of turns. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. One more time. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you guys. Okay, so now let's go for the full turn. Ready? So remember to find your spot and then do not stop looking until snapping your head. Yeah, so ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's it, you guys. All right, we're gonna try it again, non-stopping. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys. I hope you like this. Please remember, practice makes perfect. The more comfortable you get with this, the more you can add half more or a full, and then make it 2 turns, 3 turns, and so on. All right, I hope it helped. And remember, if you feel like this is gonna help some of your friends and family, go ahead and share. Remember that sharing is caring. And if you like my video so far, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, please don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And see you guys next time.